Very good afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about participatory rural appraisal in community development. Participatory rural appraisal is one of the technique which is used in the community development. There is one research study says that 75% of the rural population, they contribute only 18% of our GDP. So that means I think we need to develop people. They should be very productive, and also we need to facilitate them to get to know the things, and also we need to develop the community members to adopt new technology. So PRA is one of the technique. It is also called as one of the tool or method to collecting the information from the rural area, and also collecting information about their resources, which is used for the development of the community. I think this is an no, why PRA is important. PRA is important for identifying the need of the community, and PRA is important to get authentic information from the community, and also PRA is important to collect or understand the resources available in the community. So this technique is being used for the development of communities. There is a motto for PRA. The motto is, it is better to be roughly right than the precisely wrong. So this is an PRA's motto. I think the advantage of PRA is there are so many advantages. One advantage is like it is offset bias in the community. There won't be any bias in the community when they do this PRA exercise. It is an exercise we can learn from the people and understand the situation of the community. And third thing, it is like enjoyable event. We can also enjoy when we do PRA. So this is an advantage of PRA. I would like to share minimum of three very important techniques. One is social mapping. Social mapping is nothing but calling community member in the common place. They can draw their houses, they can draw their road, they can draw their overall geographical area. Some of the youth, they may come forward to draw their Anganwadi, they may draw well, they may draw temple, and some people may come and draw the lakes in the community. So the overall picture of the community we can understand by doing the social mapping. We can also collect information about the village through social mapping. This is one of the drawing. You can also we can learn from this drawing. Then there is another technique called resource mapping. Resource mapping is nothing but we need to call all the community member in the common place and ask them what are the resources available, and also we can tell them to bring the resources or bring the resources whatever they have in the communities. So what usually community members they do, they used to go and take some people, some of the members they bring a watermelon, some of the members they bring a drumstick, some of the members bring a chili, some members they bring whatever the item they have in the communities. So when they bring into the common place, we can also have a kind of discussion and brainstorm with them, and so that we can able to facilitate them to start up some kind of livelihood activities. So this is one of the technique we can use in the communities in the rural area. There is another technique called seasonality analysis. For example, if you take agriculture households, some of the months they will be busy, some of the months they may not have any kind of work. So to understand this, we can conduct this seasonality analysis so that we can find out which are the months they are not having jobs. So we can facilitate them to get into the non-farming activity so that they can get a better income in the communities. So that is another technique. Then wealth ranking is one of the very important technique. We can collect information of the households. For example, what are the assets they have, what is their income level of the households. So when we collect all this information, that can be categorized into the three level. One is poor, another one is middle, another one is rich. So we can categorize the people in the community so that we can understand the poor household, we can help them, and we can also develop a project for the poor households. So this is a wealth ranking. So PRA has a different techniques. I think we have seen 4 techniques today. We could able to learn many things, and I think it is still interesting. We can also keep learning. I think this presentation would have been useful to you. Thank you very much.